I'm Holly Cascanette, broker with Remax in Parry Sound. If you are looking for a beautiful, serene waterfront lake house, this is it. We've got 535 feet of shoreline, 1.42 acres, and a gorgeous, spectacular view of a waterfall that just soothes the soul. Welcome to 126 Broadbent Road on Lake Manitoowabing. You can meander down the river, canoe, kayak, or boat right out into Lake Manitoowabing, which offers 94 kilometers of shoreline, a great golf course, marina, and right into town for ice cream and gas and supplies. This spectacular cottage is also a year-round home. We've got 1,825 square feet of living space, custom hickory hardwood floor, and the kitchen is sure to please any chef. Quartz countertops, huge center island, custom stainless steel appliances, a lovely sunroom, and the decks are spectacular for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying. There's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The lower level has a walkout with your ideal private family room with a bathroom down there. Don't miss this spectacular offering. It's also got a garage with a guest suite above it and a carport. Check it out on my website, hollysellsparrysound.com.